you guys. So today I'm gonna show you how to change the brakes on a Mercedes C-Class W203, and this time I'm gonna change to some high quality brakes, Brembo, not sport chassis but regular. Start by loosening the bolts. Put it under your car just to be safe. So, what I do at first is just unplug this brake wear sensor. So let's go to the next step. Start by unbolting these 12 millimeters. And now, as you can see, it had thread locker on them, so we're gonna be sure to put it back in. I just put my screwdriver and I just push it in like this. Wait, brake. Alright, so the next step is to remove this bracket. So what you do is, this is an 18 millimeter, like this. Put it here in the back, like so. You see? There it is. And I've strung up the caliper up there. Alright. This was not easy at all, even with this tool. I think my bolt was rusted on, so, but I finally got it out. Can you see this? Can you see? This is the... time for cleaning the brakes, because they have a coat on. It's like a grease coat. So what you do now is that you just take a brake cleaner and hit it like this, and wipe it, and nothing, clean. Maybe it's just because it's sport brakes, I don't know. And the back side too, like this, because I know that they are, yeah, you see, it becomes black. Like this, in with the bolt. Adds here. I'm just removing this old Loctite that I have here with this, like this. So now you take your bracket and just put it over where it was. take the bolt, you just start to tighten it. Now you take the other bolt and like this. This again. Good. This one with the hole in it, as you can see, goes here. It snaps in like that. Here's the other one. It's important to change these two, always. Just do it, you know. Alright, here we are, like this. Perfect. Take the other one. And this has no hole. That's it. Here you go. This, put it on. They didn't include a brake wear sensor. It looks like this, and it has this connection, so you just connect it like that. Actually, a little bit easier. You just leave it hanging there for a little bit. Pad had this on, so you just put this on this, and you put this like this. And that's clicked in place. Now you do this and carefully lead this wire out. That we're given, it came with the package. So and that's it. And wash it one more time. It's everywhere you've touched it, you know.